All right, make a snow angel. Go, 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 go.
Oh, she's good.
Good morning, guys. We are stuck in the house because we got a blizzard going on over here. There's a blizzard. Let's look. It was snowing overnight. I don't know what we have so far, but you know, a good amount. We got a few inches at least. But it's supposed to snow all day. I'm seeing totals of 2 feet, possibly. 1.5 feet, at least a foot. So we'll see. It's actually pretty windy. Check that out. Just wind blowing snow everywhere. There's gonna be huge snow drifts. So we're just stuck in the house. I can't even keep the door open. It just like blows in. So we're all home. We're all safe. Liz is off of work today, tomorrow. Sophia's here, obviously. We're just gonna watch the snow all day, hang out, have some snacks. Sophia's taking a bath. Liz is taking a shower. I'm gonna pop in the shower next. Sophia finished her breakfast, kinda. So it's a sweatpants all day kind of day. Cause you know, I'm not leaving the house. The only time I may leave the house is later tonight when I shuffle the driveway. But that's pretty much it, and I'll probably wear these there anyway. Oh yeah. What are you making?
Chocolate chip cookies.
What? And what's this for? Whoa.
It must be a recipe that comes with her set. I don't know.
Oh, that came. Oh, she's using her stuff. Oh, Sophia's got her own baking stuff. Isn't that cute? You like it, Soph? It's actually better than our set. It is. Stir it up, baby.
3 scoops of sugar with this. So make 3 level scoops.
Level?
Yeah, remember?
What?
No, a little bit more. Fill it all the way up to the top.
Level?
Take it out.
That's a level.
There you go. It's in there. Okay. Right in here. Okay, I think it's cracked.
Such a technique.
Now you gotta split it apart. Okay, that works, I guess.
One-handed. Where's the yolk?
There you go. Good job, good job. No shell. Yeah.
You gotta do another one.
All right, do another one, Dove.
Can you wipe my hands first?
Well,
No,
do
the
that
edge.
one, and then you go wash your hands.
I think it's cracked. Yeah.
Yeah.
So rub it out.
Whoa.
Nice.
That's a cool way to crack an egg, girl. Just squeeze it.
Go wash your hands in the sink. And little by little, start scooping the little scoops of that powder into this.
Into here.
There you go. I'm gonna be mixing while you do that, okay?
Put all those chocolate chips in there, girl. Or just like, oh, she ate one.
I told her she could. She
Oh.
asked me.
She didn't even give me one. Can I take one? I want one. Oh, they're big.
Yeah.
They're so big. Morsels. They're big though.
And mix all the chocolate chips in.
Get in there. Really get in there. Go deep, girl.
I'm gonna try it with the cookie dough.
Huh? You're making cookie dough. Looking good. There you go. Good job, Mommy. Snow update. It's snowing. Wanna touch it? Is it cold or hot? Is it?
I need my mittens.
Mittens. When we
Alright, I need
build
to know
this,
about your business
when we
expenses.
build a snowman, okay? So we're back at it again, making some more slime. This time we know how to do it, right, Soph? Yeah. We're gonna make a neon green. You ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you stir it? See what that color is all about. A little gentle. You don't want to spill it out too much. Ooh, is that a beautiful color? It's actually slime colored. The first slime we've made that's actually slime colored. I'm gonna dump it in. You get your hands in there, okay? Let's make sure these are up and up. You ready? Go ahead.
Ew.
Yeah.
Ew.
Does it feel slimy? Keep doing it. Keep picking it up a little bit. Look at my slime.
It's all you mix the colors together.
Yeah, I thought it'd be cool. It's like a marble slime. You know?
Yeah, it's like
Marble?
it's like a planet.
It is like a planet.
I'll do it too.
Okay. Looks like you did a little bit there.
Yeah, I did.
4 o'clock, still snowing. It looks like some heavy snow. They're shoveling. I have no idea how much we even have. The snow drifts, it's like, look, there's grass over there. Because the snow is blowing so hard. So I have no idea how much snow we actually got. Got a good amount though. But yeah, it's just a lazy day. Just hanging around doing nothing, playing with slime.
The one with big snowball.
We're gonna go check out the snow, clean up the cars, shovel the driveway. Are you really making a snowman now?
Sure.
Yeah? You gotta bring a carrot.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'll get a carrot.
Yeah?
Remember you and me built Ola?
I do.
Baby, it's cold outside. Da 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 da, baby, it's cold outside. The answer is no.
Wow, it is just windy out here, which is really cold wind. But Sophia still likes it. Look at this grass, even though we have so much snow. Oh, dog pee, come on people. Oh, maybe it's people pee, you don't know. You want to make a snow angel?
Yeah.
Aren't you cold? This wind is like none other. Ugh. Oh god, I can't breathe in the wind. It's so cold. I wonder what that wind chill is. I don't even know. Oh man, she's been asking to come out to play with the snow all day since we woke up. Wow, there is a lot of snow here. Holy cow. Oh wow. That's the thing, like with the wind drift, this looks like no snow there because you can see the grass, and then you see all this snow. That's really high. Wow. Holy guacamole. You okay, Mommy? You a little cold? I asked you if you wanted a hat and earmuffs. You said, no thank you. What are you making? A what?
A pie.
A pie? A snow pie? Yeah.
I
I don't know.
like pie.
I don't know how to get it. I guess I could just kind of shove my hand in there. Here you go. Trying to unlock my screen and the gloves don't work, so I'm just going to use my nose. Oh, man. I did it.
Oh my god.
Oh, how are you going to push the shutter button?
I can't use
Your
one
nose.
of the side buttons.
Use your nose. Oh, I think so.
Yep.
Good.
Yeah. Oh no, what happened?
What's wrong, Sel? Are you cold?
What
You
happened?
get snow
You
in
got
your
snow
eye.
in your eye.
Here, don't touch your face with your snow. Let it melt. Let it go. Just let it go, okay? Do you want to build a snowman? Oh, let me get out of the frame. I'm taking shots over here.
That's the one.
Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold. The wind, man. What do you think you're doing with that little girl? Moving the snow? There's too much snow on this side. We got to get it on this side. There you go. A little bit more and I think it's evened out.
Her cheeks are rosy.
Yeah. It's so cute. Soph, let me see your cheeks. Can I see your face? Aww. Oh, Soph, look at me holding that. Hey, look at me holding that. Look at me. Look up. Thumbnail. Thanks. Oh, I missed the awesome gust of wind just blowing all the snow up. Too slow, too slow.
You wanna go in, Soph?
Yeah, Soph, you want to go in soon? It's kind of really cold and windy.
She's
And
miserable. She just is over there.
she's miserable?
Yeah.
She's having so much fun, though. She can't... It doesn't even bother her, though. Go! What's wrong? Yeah, let's go by the car. It's a little windy over here. Getting frostbitten on my nose. I don't think I ever had a blizzard with no car cleaning. Sophia's sweeping the garage out. Thank you, thank you. Good job.
You need to help that lady who has the shovel.
I don't know, she didn't want me to help her. Alright, Sophia wants to make a snow angel, so let's get it out of her system. Alright, go ahead, Soph. Make your first snow angel.
You know how to do it?
You mind if I wait over here?
You gotta lay on your back.
Woo! It's cold. Does that look cold? I'm cold.
Here she goes.
Alright. Is she gonna plop back, you think?
Whoa,
Or-
whoa.
Whoa!
There you go. Lay down.
Yeah, go ahead. What's wrong?
Right here. We're right here.
Look, I'm closer, I'm closer, I'm closer. Look, 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 come on. Go ahead, go over here. It's fun to fall in the snow, right? Kinda.
Go. Pull backwards and make an angel.
Go ahead. I don't think she's giving up.
Do it? Okay.
She said no? Aw, you don't want to do a snow angel? Is it too cold? Do you want me to place you down? I'll help you, okay?
Right there. Go ahead.
So I'm going to place you down and then all you have to do is move your arm. I got you.
All right, make a snow angel. Go, 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 go.
Oh, she's good.
All right, it already blew away.
What are you doing? What the heck?
No, don't touch it.
Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, Mommy, you're next, snow angel. Sophia's very upset. She doesn't want to go back in the house. Meanwhile, she's freezing her little tushy off. We're gonna go.
Frozen boogers in her nose.
Yeah, she does. But we're gonna go outside and play with it tomorrow. Mom,
And it won't be as windy and no snow in your face.
yeah, it's still storming out. That's why it's so windy, right?
I'm gonna wait until it stops today.
Okay. If it stops later tonight, we can go out again.
Yeah. And we don't have any carrots with us for the nose. We forgot them, right? Do you have it in your pockets? No, me neither. I'm fresh out. Oh man, it is cold out there. The wind just makes it like that much more. It's not even like that cold temperature-wise, but the wind just, whew, wow, like it hurts your face. But anyway, that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.